Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a second controller to your PlayStation 5 Pro. So just on home screen here, let's go up to the top, go to Settings, scroll on down, and let's go to Accessories. Then go to Bluetooth. Then under the screen, put your second controller into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So this is really easy to do. Just hold down the PlayStation button and the share button at the same time. So these two buttons. And the controller is going to blink. And once it's blinking, it's going to display under the other screen. Just go down to it with your other controller, select it, and then go to yes to pair it. And now you can connect it to your PlayStation 5. So let's choose an account, and you can see they're both connected now. Very easy to do. Hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.